Working with a FileMaker Pro database file with FMP extension. These contain custom business databases built with FileMaker. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these FileMaker Pro database files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for FMP files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. And a .fmp file is a database created by FileMaker Pro, a cross-platform relational database application from Claris, an Apple subsidiary. These files can store data in tables, along with layouts, scripts, and user interface elements, forming a complete self-contained application for managing information. The .fmp format is a proprietary binary container. This design allows it to bundle data, schema, layouts, forms or reports, and business logic, scripts, into a single portable file. This monolithic structure simplifies deployment and management, a key feature of the FileMaker platform's rapid application development model. The most common market-leading program for FMP is Claris FileMaker Pro from Claris International Inc. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows shows only surface-level details, so accessing the underlying data requires dedicated DB tools. Your first move is key. Right-click the FMP file and select Open With. Test with Claris FileMaker Pro if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If your FMP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the FMP file begins. First, opening in FileMaker Pro. Launch Claris FileMaker Pro and use File then Open to load the FMP file. FileMaker displays the database with all layouts and data accessible based on your user permissions. The application enables complete database use, including data entry, searching, reporting, and modifications based on the database design and your access level. Next, converting legacy versions. Older FMP files from FileMaker Pro versions 11 and earlier may need conversion to current FMP 12 format. FileMaker Pro current versions can convert legacy files automatically when opening. Back up the original FMP file before conversion. The converted file works in current FileMaker, while the backup preserves access to the original format. Finally, sharing via FileMaker Server. Host FMP databases on FileMaker Server for multi-user access from FileMaker Pro clients. FileMaker Go on iOS or web browsers via WebDirect. The server hosts the database, providing centralized data with user permissions, concurrent editing, and remote access. This enables team collaboration on shared business databases across organizations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to FileMagick, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagick.com to download now. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.